Today, we're solving a very real problem that almost every creator runs into when working with AI image tools. You create a character you really like. The face looks right, the personality feels perfect. But the moment you change the pose, expression, or even the background, suddenly the character looks like a completely different person. It breaks consistency, it ruins your story, and honestly, it's frustrating. After testing a lot of AI tools, I finally found one that actually solves this problem in a simple and reliable way. It's called ConsistentCharacter.ai. This tool is designed specifically to lock your character's identity so you can change actions, outfits, facial expressions, backgrounds, and even build scenes with multiple characters, all without losing consistency. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the full workflow step by step so you can start building consistent AI characters for your own projects. So let's get started. All right, we're here inside ConsistentCharacter.ai. This home section shows your saved character gallery. Every character you create is stored here automatically, so you can return to them anytime and continue building more scenes without having to start from scratch. If you're new to this tool, the best place to begin is with Prompt Easy. It takes a simple idea and turns it into a complete, detailed character description, which helps your generation stay consistent and accurate. Let me show you how it works. I'll type a simple prompt. A girl with blonde hair in a library. Then I'll click Enhance Prompt and wait a moment while it processes. Now, instead of that short description, it expands the idea into a much more detailed prompt that we can use to build a strong character. Here's what it gives us. This is exactly what we want. A clear, descriptive prompt that helps the AI lock in character identity. I'll go ahead and copy this. Next, I'll go to Character Turbo, which is where we generate our main character. Think of this as our master character reference that we will use for all future edits. Here you can also find how-to and prompting guides, and you can choose which AI model to use. I'll select the V2 model because it follows instructions well and delivers accurate character results. Now I'll paste the character description we copied earlier into Describe the Character. Interesting. Character Turbo automatically detected and separated the description into the right input fields. For action and expression, it already detected full body front view with a gentle, thoughtful expression looking down at her book, which is exactly what we want. Under background, it correctly captured the cozy library setting from our prompt. I'll keep the aspect ratio square, and for style, I'll choose 3D cartoon style, which works really well for storytelling visuals and character-based projects. Now I'll click Generate and let it process. And there she is, our base character. This looks great. We'll keep this as our foundation. From this point on, every scene we create will be based on this character, so her identity stays consistent. Now we can start creating scenes with this character. On the right side, you'll find the editing tools. These let you modify things like the background, action, expression, and outfit while still keeping the character consistent. This is where the real power of ConsistentCharacter.ai comes in. Let's begin by changing the environment. I'll click Edit Background. The character loads into the editor, and now I can describe a new location for her. I'll type a bustling city street at night with neon lights reflecting on the pavement. Then I'll click Generate and wait a moment for the result. Now she's in a neon-lit city street at night, but she still looks exactly like the same character. Same face, same proportions, same appearance. Only the background changed. This is how you build different scenes while keeping perfect visual consistency. Now let's give her something to do in this new scene. I'll click Edit Action from the menu. Instead of just standing still, I'll add movement by typing, holding a clear umbrella and looking up at the rain with a slight smile. Then I'll click Generate, and here we are. The pose updated correctly, and now she's holding the umbrella and interacting with the scene. Her facial expression also adjusted naturally to match the action. She's now looking up with a soft, curious smile. This is still the same character as before, just in a new pose and action variation. Now let's change her outfit to match this rainy city setting. I'll click Edit Outfit. To make the outfit fit the weather, I'll type a bright yellow raincoat and matching yellow rain boots. Then I'll click Generate. There we go. Only the clothing changed. The rest of the character remains exactly the same. Same face, same body, same style. The yellow is a bit strong, but that's just from the prompt styling. The important thing is that character identity remains perfectly intact. Now let's quickly look at another important feature, transparent backgrounds. This is especially useful if you want to export your character as a PNG for thumbnails, comics, animations, or layered scenes. Instead of trying to type transparent background into the prompt, the correct way is to use the built-in tool. At the top of the image, there's a checkerboard icon labeled Transparent Background. Clicking that removes the background instantly and gives you a clean PNG cutout. Since this character is holding a transparent umbrella, you'll notice something interesting. Part of the rainy city is still visible through the umbrella, but instead of being a problem, it actually looks like a nice visual design element. If you want higher resolution, just click Upscale and it will generate a sharper 2K version. That's ideal for print work, posters, or high-quality visuals. Now we've covered how to work with a single character and create variations of them in different scenes. But what if you want to build a story with more than one character interacting together? Most AI tools fail at character consistency in group scenes, but this one handles it well. Let's continue. I'll go back to the dashboard and click Multi-Character. This feature lets you generate scenes that include 2 or more characters. To use it, you first upload each character as a reference. So I'll upload our girl into the first slot. For the second slot, I'll upload another character I already created, a small fluffy white dog. Now this part is important. You must assign tags to each character. Tags tell the AI who is who inside the prompt. In the first tag field, I'll type @girl. In the second, I'll type @dog. This step is essential. Without tags, the AI won't know which character is which. Now I'll write a simple scene using these tags. The @girl is laughing as she throws a red ball for the @dog in a sunny backyard. Then I'll click Generate. That landed nicely. Both characters stay consistent with their original design, and now they're interacting naturally in the same scene. The girl looks joyful, and the dog is ready to chase the ball. You can now create real story moments with characters who stay consistent across scenes. Now, before we wrap up, here are a couple of important things to know. Anything you create with ConsistentCharacter.ai can be used commercially if you're on the paid plan. So if you're planning to make character-based videos, children's books, comics, game art, or branded story content, you're allowed to use your characters for business purposes. Just make sure you're on the correct license tier. The tool is also fast. Most generations take only a few seconds, so building entire storyboards or character packs is quick and efficient. Now that you understand the full character workflow, here are 3 simple pro tips that will help you get even better and more consistent results. Tip 1. Describe one specific moment. Think of each prompt as one frozen image, not a full story sequence. Instead of writing, "A girl goes to the library, finds a book, and reads," write, "A girl reading a book in a library." Short, focused prompts generate cleaner results. Tip 2. Be specific. Avoid abstract descriptions. The AI doesn't understand vague concepts well. Bad. A man hacking the system. Better. A man typing on a keyboard at his office desk. Specific details always produce better visuals. Tip 3. Use positive wording. Don't tell the AI what you don't want. Tell it what you do want. Avoid no clouds. Use instead clear blue sky. Positive phrasing helps the AI follow your instructions correctly. These simple prompt habits make a huge difference in output quality and consistency. So that's it. You build your character once, and then you simply direct them through different scenes. You don't have to start over or lose character identity anymore. Whether you're making story content, animation frames, comics, character sheets, game visuals, brand mascots, or YouTube thumbnails, this workflow gives you full control over your character in every scene. I've added the direct link at the top of the description and in the pinned comment, so try it out and see how it fits into your workflow. Let me know in the comments what kind of characters you're planning to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to subscribe to AI with TechSnap for more practical, high-quality AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.